بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth glorifies Allah, the King, the most pure, the honorable, the wise.
هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين.
It is He who has sent in the unlettered people a great messenger from amongst themselves, who recites His verses to them and purifies them and gives them the knowledge of the book and wisdom. And indeed, before this, they were definitely in open error.
وآخرين منهم لما يلحقوا بهم وهو العزيز الحكيم.
And He, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, also purifies and bestows knowledge to others amongst them who have not yet joined the former ones. And only He is the most honorable, the wise.
ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
This is Allah's benevolence. He may give to whomsoever He wills, and Allah is utmost bountiful.
مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار يحمل أسفارا بئس مثل القوم الذين كذبوا بآيات الله والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
The example of those who were entrusted with the Torah, they then did not carry out its command, is like the example of a donkey carrying books on its back. What an evil example it is of the people who belied the verses of Allah, and Allah does not guide the unjust.
قل يا أيها الذين هادوا إن زعمتم أنكم أولياء لله من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين.
Say you, O beloved, O Jews, if you assume this that you are friends of Allah and other people are not, so wish for death if you are truthful.
ولا يتمنونه أبدا بما قدمت أيديهم والله عليم بالظالمين.
And they will never wish for it, i.e., for death, due to the misdeeds which their hands have sent ahead. And Allah knows the unjust people.
قل إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقيكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
Say you, O beloved, the death from which you are trying to flee will definitely meet you. Then you will be returned to Him who knows all the unseen and the seen. He will then inform you of what you did.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
O believers, when the call for Salah is given on the day of Jumu'ah, i.e., Friday, so hurry towards the remembrance of Allah and stop buying and selling. This is better for you if you know.
فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون.
Then when salah is completed, so disperse in the land and seek Allah's benevolence, i.e., lawful sustenance, and abundantly remember Allah in the hope of attaining success.
وإذا رأوا تجارة أو لهوا انفضوا إليها وتركوك قائما قل ما عند الله خير من اللهو ومن التجارة والله خير الرازقين.
And when they saw some trade or sport, they walked towards it and left you standing delivering the sermon. Say you, O beloved, that i.e., the reward which is with Allah is far better than sport and trade, and the sustenance of Allah is the best.
صدق الله العظيم.